So these baskets,
anta ma kan ku na wara ku yin de
you should have no confusion in your mind.
fara je tare e lu ti mo no ga ju
These baskets
Allah ku na wara de
don't belong to anybody else.
shi ga yin an ka ko ne ga ne
All of them 12
kan da mu wara de Allah ku yin ti
belong to him.
ke ni to ko ma
Hey! The boy started smiling.
to bo ni ko ko da bo ko kam da kwan da Allah
Jesus brought him
to give you
and said, young man,
okay
these are your
riches in this world
baskets.
give the better well don't talk which am I kan da wara de am nan ne ke yin
I have already rented a place in downtown Gambela.
an ce ga kwani ji jurga kan da lare ya ga
That is where you are going to open a new store for bread.
a jan gwadan ta to on sama ko ba kwa la da bari da ba ga mu ko ba ga to
You are launching a new company of selling bread.
yan bon ta ba kya to kuma kam yana la wa mu kya da la ku da mun kan ga na
This bread will never be finished.
an fara kya kamna awala ta mu to
It will never go back.
kai ta mu lo ba
Hey, hallelujah! Oh, you know, I had forgotten Jerome. I had not taught them our greeting.
yan pala ko te ga no mu ta ban pe kai jero ma ko ba la ya tam
There is a new greeting we are using these days.
te ka jaga ba jin ka mun ta sa
Back home in my village,
ka da ra ni ko ko mi
when your mama calls you,
mi ci mo ni to
you are very far.
ka dan na ni ma ku de
You say, "Hey!"
Hey! Allah bu pariya.
That's how you answer.
Ajan lu aja lamu di cium mor, mu mor chong.
When I say, "Hey,"
Mi chong hey.
you answer the same.
De jan lu ni ta bang.
Hey!
Hey!
Hey! If you forget everything else, don't forget that one.
Yang ma perlu par na ma par perlu.
We say, "Hey! Hey! Hey, man! No, no, hey! Young guys, young people, hey! Hey! You know, if we had started with this one, even the power would not have gone.
Mi chong le to kan min kan ma mane khara bala gen te de gen na bolo no.
Because the devil would have been very scared.
Ko ba kan yung chen chen kan da yu dal ko ran kon gen ko budi.
So the boy,
Uno do le to chang ne.
Jesus gave him the key
Tu ji ta kam le.
to his new store of bread downtown.
Aba to ba men kare ala ka re ka ba le mi.
So he looked at this big basket.
Tu do no to gen kan ku ne ti ti.
He asked him, the master,
Se ke ti ka kam ko ti.
Lord, I'm thankful.
Ko ko ara to la ta du ki.
I am very thankful.
An to la ta du long.
But now,
Uno wan tama.
how shall I get all of these 12 baskets down there?
Ada ku ne ti ta kan ku ne dang wara o tin ne ta ra di mi te na ndi.
Jesus said, don't worry.
Ti ji ge chu ti an.
I have a company of 12 men here who have nothing to do.
An ta ga ne ta ne chen kwa ma. Kan wara to me na kan ngam.
All they want to do is reap where they do not sow.
Allah kan man gor kan o te kan kwai ani de kan pi. No de kan ngam er ti kan kan pi.
So I am commanding them right now.
An ko ta mala kana ba zo ru rajin tama.
Each one of them to pick one basket for you.
Kan kan na wara ba ga jo ran kan do ko kan ka ba ta.
Lead the way.
Jin bi ko
And they will bring them to the store.
ko ba no ba ta wo.
And when they reach there,
Kan no no to mo ba mi.
let them arrange all your bread